You broke up the home them where you never know you have me general. And we have to look into them things there. You know, right, you know, me not say people to look up to you, you know, G. But they do. But people, you have to give CMR a chance. You have to look at CMR as a man and give him a chance. Because males fail you. Your prime minister fail you. Your pastor fail you. Your doctor fail you. You understand? The man that you're with, you open up your leg with right now and give him some front last night, fail you. So who is CMR? Who is CMR? So what? You have to look at CMR and say, nah man, well at the end of the day, you know, CMR is a man, you know. CMR is a man. The light affect me. The CMR is a man. So we can't really look too long because I wear glasses. You see me? CMR is a man and he deserve a second chance, people. He deserve a second chance in a whole of life. Not just Chrissy life. Because the other day I was looking at something and I hit down upon me, say, you know, say for the last couple of days I've been coming live and saying certain things. But in my head, it's like I need to look at it from a supportive standpoint. A lot of these females out here don't have a father figure and then look up to your CMR. A lot of these females out here don't have a man in their life and then look up to you. A lot of these females, single parent females with boy pitney, I try model their child after you. So when you go so bombs and go fuck shady now and bring down your family aesthetic, they must show out the anger they upon you. Because it's like they must say, yo, here what going on? Here what going on? Why you cheat pan or you cheat pan Chrissy? Come like when you cheat pan Chrissy, cheat pan them. But my general, we not dwell upon that. We not go dwell upon that, my general. The fact that you write the letter to me, G, me I tell you, God and it's true. If me see, anywhere me see a bad man, me I shake your hand and say, yo, Charge, welcome back. Welcome back, man. You're a man. You're a man. When me do foolish this a road Charge, believe me. You nah hear me shift blame upon nobody. You hear me come and me say, yo, you know, so me sorry though. I fuck me go on with it, you know. I'm sorry about that. You understand me? I say, I go work so that no happen again. That is all you do. That is what we do as man. That is how we set up our dynamic as a man. These females out here, why you think we as males lose the dynamic? Why you think say we are lose power over everything? Because the female them are rather complain, so we don't want to do nothing, we workless and we lazy. A man just want to get up every morning and make woman mind them. And the female them a cuss about that because the female them a say, yo, here what going on, man? A two hand clapping, man. You understand what me I say? The female them love them something there. The female them, you understand? So we are lose the aesthetics of being a man because we are do them little slap, they say out the road. There is not one female out here right now who trust a man. And that is bad. There is not one of them right now here, so we say, yo, here what going on, me get up and me look at my man and me trust him. And that is bad. Because we men out here are not giving them, we're not giving them something to look upon to. The pastor in our church might go on with slackness. The elder them are going on with slackness. The members them worse. You understand what I say? The government are going with slackness. The police them. So every strong male leader that they can look up to, they not get none, they not see none. Every strong male leader, I feel them. Every strong male leader when they say they could have go behind her and stand up with this man. Is either here saying trouble little pitney, is either him a crosses, is either him a style. Some people they don't know what to do. So when they find somebody CMR, where the image where you portray out there is that there's a clean, nice, comfortable family man with loving woman, they look up to you, my general, and say, I have to understand where they come from. You have to understand that. And you have to sit down and analyze yourself and sit down and say, yo, sorry, and say, yo, here what go on now? Me have to change. And it might sound fuck up I come from my general, but here what go on. The onus is on you, not only if it change for Chrissy. Because Chrissy is the most important thing right now in your life and your family. If it change for them, yes. But you also hold the support of them, a small percentage of that change. You hold the support of them in general, a small percentage of whatever you want to do. You hold the support of them. Just a little part, just one little small part. Just one little small part of that. No big enough. You don't hold them out there so nothing, but you want a small part of it. You hold them for say, yo, I'm sorry to you. I let you know, dog, especially the females of Jamaica. Especially the females of Jamaica. You hold them an apology. You hold them something too. You understand what I say? You hold them something too, because they look up to you and you as a male leader. You mash them up. They have to go reset back again now. And find somebody where they can go behind as a strong black man. You hold them in general. I don't know, grow no thing or no styling thing. You might look on you and say you don't hold them. But at them put you, that's why I always say people careful who you follow. Because you see who you follow, you put up on top. And if they do foolishness, that will hurt you just like if blood clot in your house and then sit outside of you. Careful who you go on live with. Careful who you deal. Some people tell you go suck with the mother and come off of their life and them something there. Just because you tell them, say, yo, I don't agree with you. Careful what you do and careful what you follow in life. You understand? But big up your buckler self. It's CMR. We meet the general. Welcome back as a top man in that place. The road may be long, CMR, and arduous. The woman out there, the rest of the Jamaican woman out here, you know you. Oh God, man. They're going to beat you, general. The Jamaican woman there. Sorry, the Jamaican woman out here, they want for them apology to you. So they're going to beat out your blood clean, you know. You understand what I say? They're going to butter bruise you, CMR. But they love your CMR. They love you. Take it from you. They love you. They love you. And I love what they have for you. Because if you never care about somebody, females, or even love somebody, you understand what I say? If you never care or love somebody who don't hurt you so much, that's CMR get Chrissy bun. So me I tell you, CMR, so you hold them an apology. You don't want a boy with nobody out there.